Hi, welcome back to Simple PDM. Let's go over the Simple Patterns feature. Simple patterns mean that you can select a pattern that has different pieces of the same group. For example, you can choose to have a long sleeve instead of a short sleeve or a one-piece collar instead of a two-piece collar. The output contains a style file and technical illustrations. This feature can be used by home sewers that don't have the pattern making skills to make a full garment from scratch, or by pattern makers who can use the result to continue and develop it. Designers can also use the feature to get technical illustrations of patterns they mix and match. We'll start by creating a new content. We click on Create Content, and then we click on the Simple Patterns link. We are now presented with a library of patterns. Those patterns are free and available to everyone. We can also make special patterns by request. Now, we select one of the styles. For instance, let's select the buttoned shirt. After entering the title, we can start selecting the different pieces from the different groups. Let's start by selecting one of the back parts. As we select one back piece, the other back pieces become disabled and can't be selected. This prevents us from making foolish mistakes, such as selecting two back pieces. We continue selecting all the other pieces from the other groups, one front, one collar, a pocket, and so on. At the bottom of the page, we can see something neat. As we select the different pieces, the technical illustrations of the front and back are created on the fly. We select the long sleeve, and we can see the illustrations change. Say we changed our mind and select the short sleeve instead. The illustrations will update accordingly. Okay, now we have finished selecting all the pieces, and we can click on the Save button. After about a minute, the Simple PDM robot will finish processing our task. That's it. We can now see the result. One style file, two illustrations. Let's click on the Style link. A new style page will open with a thumbnail, converted formats, and all the other goodies that come with a style. On the right side, we can see the images that were created. Let's click on the back image. This is the image view. We can see a large image of the back piece, but that's not all. We also have the original file in SVG format. SVG format is a standard compliant format for illustrations that can be edited in softwares such as Adobe Illustrator, CorelDRAW, and Inkscape. Let's open the SVG file in Inkscape. Simple PDM Robot created the SVG file in a way that really simplifies editing, so moving different parts of the shirt is simple. Adding color and images are just as easy. Once we finish making our new cool style, we can go back and edit the image content. We'll remove the old image and upload the new one. That's it, and this is how simple Simple Patterns is.